Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to this stream. Sorry for the delay. We are facing some technical issues. So we are back. I hope everyone is here. I can see the chats. People are talking. Please let us know the sound. Is it okay? I am in the background music and my voice and Noman voice. Noman, uh,
Hello,
say hello to
am I
everyone.
audible? Yeah.
Yeah. You can audible. Yeah. Let me know, guys. The audio is. The loudness is okay or not. So we can fix. I can see 18 people are here. Thank you everyone for joining. Yeah, sound is beautiful. Okay, so as you saw the title, so and the thumbnail, obviously. So we're going to comb that shot, and let me just quickly import. I don't want to waste your time, so I will just quickly import the asset. Meanwhile, Noman, you can talk to them. Yes, we have everything. So we have this. All right. Okay, all these things, cameras here. Okay, and these assets, and what else we have?
Side also load the layout.
Yeah.
Bring the
I'm loading everything what we have. Okay, this is the actual plate, right?
yeah. Make it Rexon 9, no?
Okay, where is that X09?
Here in no. Select in our read file also.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you baked that color space, right?
No, actually in X and VFX all footage are Rexon 9.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. I forgot that. Okay, so this is the plate, and let me just place everything here. Okay,
Actually that is
so
not plate. I denoise it, but for now we can use denoise only. Later
yeah,
on I will you can download it from X and VFX, no? The
yeah,
original plate.
the original
Or
plate,
let
correct.
me upload it. 2 minutes.
Okay,
Upload. Hmm.
so this is, let's select this. This is X09, right? This layout. Yeah, doesn't matter.
Yeah. Hmm.
And this is the roto, correct? Okay, cool.
Hmm.
And we have this geo plus camera. Let's keep them on the side.
No.
And what is that?
You can delete that geo.
Oh, this one, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
All right. So this is
Neighbors.
the stuff we have, guys. Okay, let me check the renders. Did that renders? So this is the render. Okay. No, this is the roto. Where is that render? Yeah, this is
Yeah.
the render. So let's keep them aside so we know.
So, hmm.
All right, so this is the assets and everything we have, guys. And I just saw the thumbnail. Let me just quickly open the thumbnail. And it's just, yeah, this is the image. So this is the kind of output we are making. This is also Rexo 9. Let's select that. So we see the proper color. Okay, which frame this normal? In the plate. Do you remember?
Last frame. Last frame.
Last frame. Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, correct. Okay, so if I compare this and this, you guys can see we completely change the background and we are adding this full CG environment. Okay,
Yeah.
I
But
think we
this is.
have a whip preview also, right, for this CG one, Aman?
Mm-hmm.
Let
But
me
this
try.
is very whip slap comp. This is not
Yeah.
final.
This
So
is,
I think
yeah, no, continue.
I have shared on WhatsApp. Now you can download it. That also.
Yeah. So the thing is, this environment that we added here, this is just like a slap comp. There is no comp treatment done, and we just added this ambient occlusion just to make the good looking thumbnail. So we will
Hmm.
going to comp this one, including this character also here.
Hmm.
So let's go one by one, and first let me just see, as Noman said, I will open that one. Give me 1 second. I will open that preview what he sent me. Right, Noman? You just sent me out. Okay. So give me 1 second, guys. I'm just downloading the footage. platform, save as.
Yes, Parth, you will get these assets for free.
Yeah, everything we're going to give free. Okay, so let me just open that video. Okay, so here is the video. Let me just select the color space again, like 7 and 9. Okay, okay, so if I play this one, so this is the like slapcom output.
In this slab comp, I just match overall black and defocus.
Yeah, nothing else, right? So we have a nice car here. Which car is this, Noman, by the way?
I think it's Mustang. I don't know. Maybe needle no.
Cool. So I mean, already this, I mean, looking good. I mean, the lighting is matching in terms of the intensity, but we need to refine this one more.
Yeah.
So if I check, go to the last frame, if I check this one, so this is the lighting we have in the plate, right? And in the character. But in the plate, I think we have very dull looking lighting in the ground, but in the car, you can see the intensity, the same intensity that he have here in this shoulder, correct? So see that, the amount of here, because this is like not reflective, it's absorbing the light, so we see dull, but here you can easily see that. And in our case also, we have in the ground, it's not that much reflective, see? I mean, it's almost matching, you just need a comp treatment, then it's match. And in the car, we will add some highlights in the car, just like in the plate, see? Cool. Okay, so we'll go step by step. Let me just delete this. I think, yeah, I will keep this preview here, and this is our, I will delete this one, it's not needed right now. So we have this denoise plate and we have this CG. Okay, so let's
Side CG is single frame, because if you play the shot there is no parallax, like and if you play that layout also the original layout, so there is no parallax, so we render only single frame, and then we have to track it from using camera.
So let's show them this preview also. So this is like a layout of that entire scene, you can see. Obviously,
this is Blender layout.
Yeah. So we use Blender, and this is the whole scene, and this is the output with that. Cool, it's pretty good. So okay, now I think everything is clear. So let me play this layout, and this is the rotor. First thing, what I will do, let me just quickly see the chat. Is there anyone have any questions? Hello everyone. Hello, yes, people are talking.
So Parth is asking for asset, so we will give this asset for free. So right now I'm uploading on the night Patreon. So yeah, meanwhile you can start the comp. I'm uploading.
Okay, so first thing I will do some cleanup and just making a backdrop for everything. So let's use this asset and as a backdrop. So this is like our main backdrop, and inside we'll make more backdrops based on the types of asset we have. For example, like I have this camera, right? And by the way, I'm using this backdrop helper toolkit. I will put the link where you can download this one from there. It's pretty good. You can just select this one and press the shortcut Shift B, and it will pop up this menu. There are some preset for the backdrop. I think for the camera, I think there is no there is no for the camera. So what I can do, I can just type cam and hit enter. It will add this backdrop, and in this panel you can change how this backdrop will look. For example, I just want border look, and I can just increase the width. So I can do that easily. I can add the fill, border, and the color of these things. You can see it's very nice UI for the color. So you can just quickly select the color, and you can add a label here, but I already added, but you can override it here, and you can select your custom color here also. For example, I want this, I can just select that and it will go over here. But in this case, I will keep it dark color like this, and reduce that border size maybe like this. Okay, so this is my cam. So I'll place it here. Let me just see what else I have. Okay, so I have this denoise plate, and this is the CG one. So let's keep this CG in this side. So let's shift P, CG. Okay, for now I will just play this one like right here, and let's keep this as a border, and this layout let me put it above. So this is also, let's put it above. This is a roto. I think we have a, yeah, there is a backdrop for roto. I can just select that and go here. Let's give it a different color like that. Okay, now we have this plate. Same, let's select Shift P. There is a preset for the plate. Select that, and I like this border look, so I think I can change the color to white, so I can easily see this. Cool. And let's put it here, and this layout, let me place it here. ID layout. Okay, now select this, go to here again, different color, backdrop, like that. Cool. And last, for this preview, so let's select this PR pre. So this is like a preview, or we can say the slapcom. Alright, so now we have everything. So these many things we are going to provide you, and these many things we have here. Okay, so now let's make a stamp. So I will make this is my plate stamp. Alright, this is my roto.
Hello,
okay,
Sai.
Let's delete this. Yeah, no one.
So I have one question. Like if I have to increase the size in transform, so my data is getting weird after adding transform. So is there any way we can transform our data passes?
Wait, I didn't understand what you're talking about. Yeah, tell me again.
So go to this data pass.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Add one transform node.
Okay, for example, like this. Okay.
Yeah. And make it 1.4 scale.
Let me just select this one first and then add transform. So that way I can get the center in the center of the frame. Okay, let's connect this one again. Yeah, 1.4.
1.44.
Okay.
Now take one cryptomat node.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. Now
I'm getting this weird edges. So is there any way we can?
Yeah. So this is the another issue everyone going to face if you guys are transforming your data passes, not WT1, your data passes, which include like position pass, normal pass, and all other passes. For example, this crypto pass is different. So I mean it's very unique pass. But if you do like transformation like this, so you get this kind of edges. If I off, you see nice. Now you see the edges are good, but when we do the transformation, it will get break everywhere, and you get these weird edges when you do the color grading. To solve this, there are different solutions, but the easiest way, what I found, when we do any transformation, there is called the filtering thing is applying, right? This filtering thing. Wait, why my mouse? This thing is not. Yeah, okay. So I can zoom in with this. So this filtering thing is applying. By default, it's cubic. Is good for images like this, because in the edges we see this cubic, this filtering thing, right? This transparency going on from 1 to 0. So, but in the cryptomat case or in any other utility passes, we don't need that. Okay, this cubic filtering. So we need to set this impulse. So when you do that, you can see it will solve. Now it will behave correctly because this is a data pass. So when you do this filtering, it will get break the data pass in the edges. So make sure you do impulse, and then you are good to go. Even if you do the reformat, there is this filtering thing here also. So make sure to do the impulse. So if I just show you again, if I do this cubic, you will see it's get break. So when you do the impulse, it will solve. And what people do, I will just undo. What people do, just remove this one. What they do, they first make the selection and then they add this transformation. Okay, which is totally fine, but you have to do this for every selection. Like if I just copy paste, if I select different part, then I need to do the same transformation trick. If I select this one, for example, this part, then I need to add this transformation here. I mean, if you have hundreds of selection, you need to add this, which is pretty annoying. So instead of doing this, just take this one, connect it to the main source, and just change this to impulse, and then you're good to go. Now you just need to use this transformation, and this will fix the that filtering issue. That is actually the filtering issue. That's it. That is the solution. Easy solution.
Yeah.
Did you use any kind of Gizmo for roto? For the roto, Norman will tell what we did.
Yeah.
While I'm making this stamp, Norman, you can explain them.
Yeah, sure. So, but I have to share my screen then.
Wait. So with that, I will open a browser so you can control. Okay. Wait. Let me see. Okay, Norman, you can.
Yeah.
Take a control.
Yeah. Yeah. So guys, for roto I have used one AI. So technically I am not promoting AI, but for Comper we have a very less time for personal projects and doing these tutorials and all things. That's why I use AI for roto. So this AI called Slapshot. I think you already might know this AI tool, Slapshot AI. So I use this AI for doing roto. So let me show you how I did. I
don't know that when I asked you now how you did the roto, then you told me this name. So I thought this is like a paid kind of thing.
No, it's a free AI tool. Up to 10 seconds you can do like multiple shots, but up to 10 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So up to 10 seconds, how many clips I can do?
Unlimited.
Okay, under 10 seconds I can do unlimited.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, so that is useful for us, for VFX artists.
Yeah. So it's very, see, I have did this shot using this AI. It's a this website is very old, but like I get to know this website like 2-3 years ago, but that time it was very bad, not working well. But just now I am checking this and it's we are getting very good output. And let's try this.
I was about to ask you about the quality. I mean, how good?
No, the quality is very good. So this is our shot. So we can do rotoscoping, generative retime. It's basically retime thing, depth map. Yeah, we can do 4K. I think. Yeah, we can do 4K. Depth map and camera tracking. So mostly I use rotoscoping for quick roto. So you can see this add annotation. So we have to click this add annotation, and it will take some time, like few seconds. And then we have this option, magic tool, pencil, and this eraser. For now, we will use this magic tool for selecting, but we can do manually using this pencil node for better edge work. See, it's selecting. Now we can select this draw tool, and we can select this polygon tool. So now we can we have to select this hand. I'm doing roughly right now. Don't want to waste your time to selecting this properly. So now it's selecting, and now just click run prediction.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this better than ML2 like copycat and all those things we are using to generate a roto, right? Is this better than this?
It's better than ML tool. Even I have tried on this footage also, and it's very tough. You can see for roto.
Yeah,
this photo,
all
this
the hairs and everything. Oh,
this one. Yeah, this one. So I got very nice output. Just for we have to paint single frame properly, like
Okay.
in like
Cool.
I paint out this single frame properly, and then I got very nice output. You can't expect this much good output from AI. This is very
Cool.
good website for doing, roto for a personal project. I am suggesting don't use this website for a professional or some freelance work, because it may leak your data. I don't know.
Yeah, you can
So
display. I think it's done,
no,
right?
no, no, no. It's
Okay.
you can see here.
Okay. Inference. Okay, it's doing it.
Mhm,
Okay.
mhm.
So how
So
much
now you
time
can.
this is taking? I mean.
I mean, 2 to 5 minutes.
Okay. So meanwhile, you
Yeah,
can just do the comp work, right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So I
So
can
you
control.
can switch the new.
Yeah. So while this is going, let's jump back to the nuke and let's do the remaining work. Okay. So let's put this YT here. Okay. And let's last. This is the slab form. Okay, so now we have everything, so we can get started. So we know we have a plate and we need to replace everything behind our character, right? So our plate is like our background. No, plate is our foreground. Okay, because we only taking the character and our CG is our background. So considering that, let me just first I will do the CG part, because as I said, we have to comp everything from background to foreground, right? So foreground is very simple. You just need a roto and we just to cut out this character and we just need to add. We don't need to do any CC or nothing, because we need to match the background with the plate. Okay, so let's check the background. Norman, you have added this sky. I think I don't have this sky right now. Weird. I think he will come back.
Let me share that.
Yeah, your
2 minutes.
screen
Yeah.
is not visible. Let me just cross check.
Mm-hmm. No. I turned off my camera.
Okay. I thought there is some issue. Okay, so I don't have the sky for now. You can give me later, but for now, let me just quickly do the CG rebuild. That is the first step. If you have any kind of CG, you need to make a CG rebuild. So let me just take the stamp. If I press F8, I can get this menu, and let me just select from anywhere. You can just take this, just CG render. So this is the render we have. Let me just quickly check the resolution. So this is the 2K, right? Let me just press S and set it here, 2K DCP, and frame rate is okay. Okay, everything is okay. Cool. So we have this render, and you can see the render is 4K, right? Render is 4K. Our plate is 2K. Can I ask you, Naman, why we have this much of big resolution?
For overspan.
Okay, got it. So you tell me how much percentage, how much value I need to add in the transform.
1.4.
Okay, cool. 1.4.
Yeah, but
So
first convert into to 2KDCP, na?
yeah, so I will add the reformat here. I will convert this one into 2K DCP.
Yeah.
Do I need to do anything here with or height?
No.
With only, right?
Nothing.
Okay. And
Just put one transform node and
okay.
keep the value 1.4.
So let's keep it 1.4. So now we have this much of overscan. Cool.
Yeah.
So is there any transformation, guys? If we have, make sure you there are many cases like we get with high resolution or low resolution CG render. So we need to do this first, then we can do all the CG rebuild and everything, because from here it will match with our project setting.
I have shared that
most
HDRI.
important. Okay, yeah, I will download that one. So let's quickly check that roto. Oh, is it still going on, right? No one.
Yeah. Sometime it takes some time. I don't know.
Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, let me just quickly download the HDRI that we provided. Okay, it will download in the background, and I think it's done. Okay, let's continue. So we have this now. Let me add one more dot. So we did the reformatting and everything. Now it's matching with the plate, and we have a good amount of overscan. Okay. Now from here I will do a CG rebuild quickly. I mean, it's not quickly, but I just want to show you the process.
So we have multi-light and beauty pass both.
Okay. So which one we should use?
Like I like to use both, but for now you can use beauty only, because there is only 2 lights.
Okay, let's do the color. So I'm just shuffling out the color, and let's add one more shuffle. So I'm doing this with the shuffle. I don't want to make it complicated. So previously I was using that the expression thing, but I don't want to do that, so everyone can understand what I'm doing here. Cool. Let's quickly do that. I'm just copy pasting this bunch of time. So I'm going to extract all the passes, direct and indirect. Okay, let's first do these 3 merging. Okay, so the idea is we have these passes. This is the diffuse color which contain the color information. Okay, without light, without nothing. This is like a texture. So if you apply any texture to your geometry, this is the texture color, right? Then we have this diffuse direct, and this diffuse direct is not containing any color. You can see the color is here, there is no color here. And if it's indirect also, indirect we have this indirect color, so we need to remove this color. Okay, so the idea is, and I also saw in the Blender page how you can combine these passes together. So we need to use this diffuse color. Okay, so what I can do, I can just take this and just merge them together first. All right, so this will be like multiply. Okay, so we have this direct color, this is indirect color. No, I think we need to plus this first. Okay,
you have to plus it, then multiply with diffuse color.
Yeah, so now we get the combined lighting. So this is like direct lighting and the indirect lighting. Indirect lighting going inside. Okay, so now we combine the lighting, then we need to add the color information. So we can take the one merge, and you can connect our diffuse color, because that here we have the color and here we have the light information. So you can just take one merge.
So Karan is asking what is the main purpose of overscan other than the lens distortion. So Karan, we are using single frame lighting, so we have to track it now. So camera is like rotating from left to right. Correct. So we need all the data for in camera, so we need overscan.
Yeah, otherwise we see the black border here and here. When the camera will rotate like this, we see the black edges. Okay, so here now I will do the multiply operation, because here we have a color information and here is the flat information. So the mode is multiply. Now we have this diffuse lighting. So we can not a diffuse, basically the diffuse, overall diffuse. And in this one we don't have any specular, nothing. This is just a pure diffuse. You can see there is no specks, nothing going on. Okay, already this thing is looking pretty good, but if I compare,
you can check the car.
Yeah, here the car is very good example, because the car have this specular and the coat layer and everything we have, but very less diffuse. So if I see this, except the car, everyone have very nice diffuse. See the car is looking very dull. This need a specular layer and all those other layers to make it good like this. Okay, let's continue. Let me just copy these things. So this is the first pass, I mean the first layer. Okay,
now so someone is asking, is there any order of adding direct and indirect lighting?
What he asked? Order?
Yeah, is there any order of adding direct and indirect lighting?
See, order means if you have passes like this, this is like a lighting passes. Okay, so there is no order to merge them. If you are asking here how I plus this one, so there is no order. If I do the reverse, it will look the same.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's like 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Both will give same output, right? 3.
Yeah. So the same goes here also in the multiply also. If I switch this here, it will look same. Got it? And make sure the main thing is you need to merge everything properly, like I mean if I just do like this, okay, and then I plus this one like this, okay, then it will look weird. Okay, you just need to first merge the light passes first. I mean this is not the light, there is no light information here, correct? This is just a color information. So in this case we need to first merge the light passes, these light passes, additive mode. Okay, in other terms I can say additive mode. So we are just plusing it, adding on top basically, okay, with the plus mode. And then we need to multiply with this because there is no light information here, so we need to multiply it. But order is not important, we can switch the pipe, it will look the same. Okay, but for now I'm just keeping the B pipe here, so I can just turn off here easily like that. Okay, let's continue. So here now we get diffuse color. Now we have a different path called glossy, which contain all the specular and everything, correct? So we can just select this one. Now you can see this is the glossy color.
In Blender, the spec is glossy.
Yeah, I mean the Blender, this glossy thing is contain everything, like every specular, direct, indirect, I mean, and the color also. See this is the glossy color, and except all the thing, the car only have a color information.
Color, yeah.
Okay, so let's go to this one, the glossy direct. This contain the direct lighting, and this is the indirect one. Okay, so this much passes we get, the diffuse and the glossy, that's it. And I think, do we have any subsurface or anything? No, yeah, we have this trans pass, I think, that contain this what you call the subsurface and scattering, I think. Let's check. So let me just copy and paste this one here. No man, your mouse is coming.
Oh, sorry.
So let me just connect this one. Now I think this thing we have a scattering. Let's transcolor. Oh, this is for that window, I guess. Yeah. So let's shuffle out everything one by one. And this is like, where is that? Transcolor, transdirect. Yeah, here we don't have. But for now, let's shuffle out everything so I can show you every pass we have. Yeah, this one we have. You can see the window. Cool. So whatever we did here, you need to do the same thing in everywhere. I'm just copying this, the whole setup, and just connecting here. So I'm merging this glossy direct and indirect first, like that, and just glossy color multiplying. So we get this. Now you can see, now we have this combined specular glossy pass, everything we have. Now you can see it's looking pretty good. Let's copy this and put the same thing here. Let's connect this, now we have this, and if I see the multiply, this is the output we have. The intensity is pretty less. I'm just exposing up to show you this. Cool. So now we have these three sections. Let's combine them. Okay, now because we did the multiply, at the end we always need to do what you call the plus operation. So I'm taking this one merge node and I'm just connecting here and just connect this one. So I'm merging this one first, diffuse and glossy, and let's order is plus. So now you can see the car. Now the car is looking pretty good, and you can see in the grass we also added some specks. See that, some specular highlight everywhere. I think here also, yeah, you can see pretty good. Let's take one more merge and just connect the last layer. We have this transmission. Okay, let's connect this one and let's plus this one as well. Plus, let's check the glasses. So let's expose up and let's on off. Yeah, you can see these things we need, and hopefully when I merge everything, it should match with the beauty. Let's connect and let's see, and it is matching, I guess. Yeah, so I'm doing AB. You can see now it is matching 1 to 1. So if you see, there is something going on, and this is because of the denoise, I guess, right? No man, Because we are using denoise, that's why the thing is when you do denoise now, it will do a denoise differently for the beauty layer and for all the passes. So that's why we see a little bit of shift. Okay, so if I take one more merge and just combine this, and let's keep this here just to show you what I'm doing. If I do the difference, where is that difference? So here you will see this noise. See, this is the noise difference, basically nothing else. See, because we are doing denoise, that's why we're getting this kind of noise difference. But other than that, you're not gonna see any lighting change, nothing. It is matching pixel to pixel. See, this only this noise is shifting. In the middle you can see there is nothing change, everything is correct. I think we are missing some passes, I'm not sure. See this light, let me just check. This car light.
Oh, it's in emission, we are missing. Yes, you are correct.
Yeah, this is in emission, right? So if I compare with the beauty, so here we have, here we don't have. Yeah, no worries. You can add that later when we are providing this file. Now make sure to add that layer. Okay, cool. So this is done. I mean, let me just reorganize. What I can do, I can just put this here, and as I said, order is not matter, so I'm just switching this pipe. So I'm just adding one dot. Everything will coming from this direction, and now it's look like this. So I have this color pass, then I'm multiplying here, and then I'm plusing all other layers. Cool. Let's make this like this. Okay, now there is one thing we miss, the unpremult and premult. For that, let's expose up and see the issue. If I zoom in here for this part, okay, and you have this good looking alpha. Okay, let's do unpremult, and obviously we need to set unpremult all. Okay, now we did unpremult, and the idea is we need to do unpremult first, and then all the passes thing, extraction, and in the end we can take the copy node. Okay, like that, and we can just
can you just pin my comment?
Okay. Oh, I think you have access, right? You don't have access? I think you have like this.
No, but I can't pin it now in chat.
Yeah, I'm talking about in chat. You have access to pin, I guess. Check.
No, I can't.
Okay,
I'm not able to do.
Cool, I pin it. Okay, now I need to add that beauty, but you can see I added the reformat here, right? So what I can do, I can just disconnect this reformat from here, and I can directly add to the source. So that way, if I just copy paste this stamp multiple times, I don't need to copy paste these things again and again. So I'm just making space, snapping this one, and just adding here.
Yes, Karan, you can do that.
And now we get this. So I can just copy paste this one stamp, and just I don't want to make the pipe connection like this, so just copying here for now. This, okay, connect it. Now I'm just copying the original alpha, right? So this is the general workflow of doing this. Okay, so I'm just copying the original alpha, and then I'm doing premult. Now let's check the issue. Now you can see the issue is when you do the unpremult all here, and if you do premult all, let's do the premult all just for the confirmation. Okay, so and in between you do this CG rebuild, and then you compare with the beauty layer, which is this. You can see it's not matching. Okay, so that is the one of the issue with the Blender passes.
Just remove unpremult from top now once.
Wait, I will show you the here you're talking about, right? If I do this, then it will eat. So I will show you the correct way. See now, still it's not gonna match. Okay, so the issue is we don't need to do the unpremult all. Okay, but if you got any other render engine output like Arnold or V-Ray, whatever, the correct way is to unpremult all, and then do the pre-mult at the end, and you will see it will match with the beauty render. But in the Blender case, it is not gonna match. So to solve this, we have to unpremult the diffuse color or glossy color, and diffuse color and glossy color, these two. If I do this, let's see, and to take one more and do the glossy color. Now if you see at the end, and if I compare, it is matching, except that noise issue. See, and here you have unpremult, everything is unpremult, and you are doing premult. So this is the biggest issue when I see the Blender render. You need to do this thing, then you can see it is matching with the premult. Here you will see it is premult, okay, but actually it is not. If I compare with the beauty, see this, and if I compare here with the premult, now it is matching. Or if you don't want to do this this thing, then you need to unpremult all other passes except the diffuse color, and to do the unpremult diffuse direct, diffuse indirect, glossy direct, glossy indirect, okay, and then when you see at the end, it will match. So I think the best way is to just do these two passes and you're good to go. So if I see the glossy diffuse color, let's check the pass. First let me just save the comp. I forgot to save. Let me just quickly save the comp, otherwise we're going to lose everything. So here comp this env, okay, cool. So now we have, now you can see diffuse color. If I disable, this is the diffuse color, okay, without unpremult, and this is the unpremult. So this is the correct unpremult, okay. But if I check the diffuse direct and if I compare with the beauty, you can see it is already unpremult. You can see the beauty have this much edge, and diffuse here have more edge. If I do the just to show you, if I do the unpremult all, you get this kind of white thing, which is not correct, okay. So that's why there is an issue. And when you plus this one, this is merging correctly, and when you do multiply, then it is merging correctly. If I don't do, it will look like this. Now it is unpremulting correctly. So the similar way, the diffuse, the glossy color also, if I on, now this is unpremult, okay, and of this one, this will look like this. So the story is you need to do the unpremult of these two layers only. If I do the unpremult all, it will not gonna work. So at the end, it will match when you do the premult. That is the correct way for the Blender. So zoom in, see this, it will match with the beauty. That is the whole point. It's need to match with the beauty. I hope my voice is not breaking, guys. Please let me know, because I'm facing some lag in NUKE. That's why I'm asking. Okay, and now we have this good overscan also. So this is like a CG rebuild. It's done. Okay, so this is our background. So I will put it somewhere here, and this is like another layer. So what I can do, I can just take one merge, connect this one in a okay, and take a reformat, and this will be my B. So I want to add everything in a side, so this will like this, and this will.
I think you can add sky now. I have already.
Yeah, that's why I made this. So here I will add my sky layer. So this reformat is just a placeholder. That's it. Cool. Sky, I need to import. Where I download this one.
Guys, you can download it, this free assets from Patreon. I have shared the link on YouTube chat, or also I have shared the link in VFX Showdown Discord server, so you can download it right now.
Cool, that's pretty good. Okay, let's check that AI, is it working or not? Yeah, guys, I think this thing is done. I can play.
No, you have to click on that layer first.
Yeah, you control and you do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just click on this layer.
Is it coming?
No, just double click. I think I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah,
able
wait.
to.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, here
Double
is
click.
showing. Yeah, you double click it. So here is showing that it's extracted.
No, too much. Okay.
Loading result.
See,
Oh,
play. Just play.
okay.
See, we have this nice, good result.
Oh, it is actually good. I mean, the main issue I saw, all the ML and all the, ML rotos is like, flickering and all those things. But this is like very, very consistent movement. I mean, yeah.
Someone
Good.
is telling, please increase the music a bit.
Increase. Oh my god. Okay, I will increase a little bit. Otherwise, you're not gonna hear my voice. So I'll add a little bit. This much is fine. I think so. Okay, Norman.
So,
This quality is good. I mean, the main issue I face with the ML rotos and AI rotos is the flickering, jumping here and there. It's not consistent, but this is like very consistent. It's sticking very well. I mean, if I check frame by frame, yeah, here it's not flickering. That is the main point.
And actually, this is preview only.
Okay.
If you download it now, and then if you check inside the NUKE now, you will get better output. This is only for preview.
Yeah, he's doing very good job on the hair also. I mean, can you go frame by frame here? Is it possible?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. See, in the frame by frame, yeah, go back. Yeah, see, it's consistent. It's not jumping here. Yeah, it's not jumping here and there.
So, guys, telling this, we are not promoting AI, but we just use for personal projects.
AI is good, but we need to use it for our advantage like this. Pretty good use. Yeah, nice. Okay, go and try, guys. This is a pretty good way of
This short.ai.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so we have this HDRI. Let me just zoom in. I don't know how you use the one, but this is a 16K. It's pretty big. Fine. So first thing first, we need to change the color space. If you go, I think they mentioned here. No, this is a 32-bit image scanline. There is no color information, but the correct color space for this, you have to go to the here utility and need to select this linear sRGB. This is the correct
color space. Or else, I think you can just click raw data, right?
Yeah, I think it will do the same. Yeah, see, no, for the raw, I think it's changed. I think, yeah, it's changed the color. See, it's
making more saturated. Yeah.
How these images look in in their website? That is the whole point. You need to match that look. Okay. If that image is looking that this saturated, because we are here in Rexo 9. Okay, that is the, if I change the sRGB, it will change the see, it make it more dark. So if I do this linear sRGB and Rexo 9, so depend on the what is the color space, but in my knowledge, all the images like HDRI, I mean it's a linear, but in sRGB color space. Okay, now we have this dynamic ranger. You're not losing anything here. You're not just making it sRGB from here. Okay, see, if I do this here, it will, there is no information, we lost everything. So this is a different output sRGB, this is a different, this is a linear sRGB, so it contains everything.
Correct.
Okay. So make sure, I think the image will look like this in the website also. I'm not sure. Fine. So let's get the camera, press F8, take the camera. This is my camera. Let's take the scanner render, take the classic scanner render. Okay, now let's take the big sphere. So the reason I'm using the sphere, because this image is like a spherical image. Okay, so if you apply this on the sphere and make the sphere size
10,000
bigger, and if you view it here, now you can see this is our HDRI image and our camera is inside. So we're going to look through the camera. So let's connect the camera, scene to scene. and this is our sky setup is done. Now it's loading because it's a 16K. Okay, now we need to rotate this one. Okay, so let me connect the reformat here, and here you can also increase the overscan, but I think we don't need it.
We don't need overscan for now.
So it will play like this. See, now it's playing. Okay, now we need to rotate it. So I will go to the last frame, and there are two ways you can rotate. The first way is like go here and just rotate it here directly. Okay, but the other way is like you can take a transform geo. That is the best way. Transform geo. There is transform geo. Okay, so this way you are not messing with your input layer. Okay, why I'm saying like this, because sometimes this thing someone is providing you this image and this geo also, right, the sphere. So that time you don't need to touch this one, because maybe in the next version they are going to update the geo, maybe in some other places like that. So that's why it's always better to don't touch the source, always add one node and control from there. Okay, so I can add this one and I can just rotate it in the Y. So someone tell me what is the value, or I can just do it myself.
No, you can do it your by yourself.
So let's check where we see the clear sky. We will keep that, and also we need to make sure the sun direction. Let's check. I think
you
we need to mirror this one, because yeah, there is another thing, guys. When you apply directly to the sphere now, and when you render from scanner, it will, the images get mirror. So to compensate, you need to add one mirror node, and you need to mirror it here. Oh no, sorry, horizontally. So here it will look wrong, but when you see from scanner, it will get compensate. So we just unmirroring the image. Okay, so like that. Now let's do this. Now we will see the correct light direction and everything. Yeah, we can use this. Yeah, I think this one, or let's.
No, the shot is very, sunny light, right?
Yeah. Have you rotated on the x-axis also? I think.
Yeah, I think so. Let me open.
Yeah, for example, this angle I want. I think. Let me just quickly press.
Make it 145 without mirroring.
145.
But without mirroring, just turn off that mirror. No? And then I think I increase the exposure by 3 stops.
Okay. Yeah, correct. Now we see the correct the light direction also. We see the shadow here, shadow here, light here. I mean, yeah, but I think the correct way is to just mirror this one, but that's fine. It's all about getting the correct light direction. So if we are getting the correct light direction, that in this case we can see we getting, so it's okay. Now let's.
Sir, how can we match the color and grade from reference footage? How can we get a 1-to-1 result?
Yeah, that part Noman will show you guys. So I just making this comp, and then I will pass to the Noman. Just save. I don't know why, but no, it's lagging too much for me. I don't know. So fine.
I think we are using this parsec.
No, my NUKE is lagging. It's not about that software. I mean, it's loading very slow. Okay, that's fine. So now we have this overscan. Okay, we need to add that setup here. So we need to take the camera and to match it with that. So take the camera here, and we're taking the image plane, right, Noman? You use this one.
Yeah. Image plane, yes.
So because this is a single frame, I will just connect this one here, change the mode to match mode, and this projection.
And go inside and make it a big card.
Yeah, let me just connect this. Okay, then we need to go inside this one, because there is an issue with this one, because the card size is very small and our camera is like orbiting, so we need a bigger card size. So you can just plus this one. I'm not going inside, I'm directly just opening from here, and this is the card size. We just need to increase the card scale. That's it. Let me just close this. Okay, yeah, sir, how can you? Yeah, so no one already did that. Is there anyone have any questions? Hey, so I forgot your message. Yeah, how are you? I hope you're doing good. Congratulations for your new job. Yeah, see, Noman, I told you now something is going on. Something going on with you with my nuke. Okay, let me just see that this thing again. Better. So how you can download this one? You just export right here from here.
Export. Click next. You can select. Yeah.
Oh, we can also select EXR. Seriously.
For now, you can select MOV now.
So the EXR will give better edges or something is there? I mean, or it's just the same thing?
I think it's the same thing only.
Okay, let's export.
Next.
So let's see how much time this will take to export.
For exporting, it will take much time. Now go to this export tab. Yeah. See, now it's creating zip for us.
Oh, okay. Nice. That's good. Okay, now we are back, guys. Okay, so this scale we just
make it 5 now.
5.
Okay.
I'm about to increase like 100. Okay, I'm putting
make it 10. Yeah. Make it 10. Yeah.
Cool. So and then I will close this setup from pressing this icon. Okay. Now.
And our reference frame will be 75.
Okay. 75 is the reference frame and distance.
Yeah, make it 500 only.
500. Okay. Cool. Now if I merge with this and hopefully
why we are getting this dark.
No, wait, it's loading.
Okay.
Stuck. Again stuck. I don't know, something is going on with my nuke. Yeah, there is some color space issue. Yeah,
same question even when you down export. So
I will increase this. Check. Okay, now we did this. Now let's play and see.
Sir, you need RTX 5090.
Yes, that's correct. I need that RTX 5090. No one you have, right?
Yeah.
Which card you have?
5060 Ti.
No one have 5060 Ti, guys.
Why we are getting this thing? Something is wrong with your nuke side because for me it's 50, sir.
Yeah, that's
for me it's working very fine. Here in my.
Okay. But so we merged this one correctly. Now we can see this is with the sky layer. Okay, and with we did the match move, so now you can see it is.
No, right. Something is wrong with car, I guess.
No, it's correct, right? In this first frame, it's not visible. In the last frame, it is visible, right? Car.
Can you just play layout once?
Yeah. Okay. Let's check the layout. I will gift you, sir. Oh my God. Thank you for that. Okay, I think I need to restart or something. Something is not correct.
Just restart now once.
Yeah, what you were talking about the car? Let me just see the render.
Not render, just play layout once.
Okay. Hello, Pratimesh. Pratimesh in the chat. Guys, Pratimesh is our friend. We work in the same studio before. So, how are you, Pratimesh? No man, Pratimesh is here.
Yes. Long time no see.
Yeah. Yeah. See, it's done now. You can download right here. Let's download.
Just download it.
And you will see. Oh, it's created a zip.
Hello, guys.
So let me just unzip and I will quickly show you guys what is this roto will look like.
Can you just restart the nuke once?
Yeah, I will restart. It's created a lot of folders, huh, Noman? These things.
But see, we got two mate, hard mate and motion blur mate.
Oh my God.
So
this is new.
So motion blur matte will look very nice.
Okay, this one.
If you check this hard matte, you will get hard eroded edges.
Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, see, it's very consistent here. I mean, see, it's not flickering, not jumping that much.
I think I have that output somewhere.
Check
okay,
that.
I deleted that output.
Hard matte. Let's check the hard matte, guys.
See, it's eroded.
Yeah, I think this is also useful, you know, for the soft matte and hard matte. I mean, pretty good. See, the best part is like, you know, in the arms when you closing, we are not seeing that, you know, suddenly it's closing and, you know, opening again, you know, some that time I see a lot in ML. Like if you get this much of close, it will, you know, close this gap. You think like it's just one part, and then in the this frame it will open it automatically. So it's not doing it. It's pretty, see here, even this tiny part also, it is not closing, it's still open. See, pretty good. Even in the fingers also, see, in the finger also it's not doing it. Here also in the leg part, it's not doing that weird stuff. Pretty consistent. Yeah, useful, guys. Try it. I mean, I think this will save your time just to get a good rough roto. It's not a final one. Okay, so here, right, with that, this one. Yeah, it's correct now. See, the car is there.
Okay. Now we start the NUKE once.
In the first frame, it is outside. Guys, I just need to restart. So I will just quickly hide the screen and I will just restart. Okay, meanwhile, is there anyone have any questions? Please ask in the chat. So Norman and me, I will try to help you. Hello Elfin, Pratmesh, Chaitanya, and a lot of people here, but only few people are talking. All other people are just, you know, sitting and watching. Guys, if you have anything, please let me know, and you can let any questions you want to ask, you can just directly ask here. We are planning to do more live stream in upcoming days. One live stream we will going to do in granite imagery, right, Noman?
Tomorrow we will do.
Yeah, tomorrow. So he will schedule the stream today, or it's already scheduled?
No, I will.
Okay, so he will going to schedule that stream, and then we will you're going to see me there, and then one more stream will be going on my channel. I was very deep in your comp. Oh my god, so weird. Thank you. How's your job going? I mean, that's why not texting. Okay, if you have anything, you can just, you know, type it here. So let me open it again. Hopefully this time it will not gonna stuck. Let's see. Okay, it's loaded quickly.
Right. Put remove node here, na?
Wait. So I will just change the workflow for the stream layout. Okay. Yeah, I forgot that. So when you pre-mult or after the pre-mult, we have all these channels which you don't want, right? Because we already use them here, right? So just add one remove node after the pre-mult or before the pre-mult. It's up to you. I'm just adding here after the recomp. Remove node. And only keep the RGB and some other layer if you need it, right? For in this case I don't need anything because all the utility passes we have a separate render.
Yeah.
Okay, and I forgot to add these things here also.
Make sure change that filtering.
It's already changed.
No.
Oh no, here also we need to change. Oh, maybe that here impulse. Here crash.
Damn.
Wait, I will open again. I will do one change, then I will open, and hopefully it will not gonna crash again. So where is that thing? This thing, delete. I will just quickly delete some cache file, and I will relaunch. Hopefully then it will not gonna crash. Cool. Okay, sorry guys for this crashing issue. There are a lot of things going on in the background. I think that's why my system will crash. Okay, so Noman, what's your plan now? I mean, in tomorrow, what do you have? Can you tell us something?
You are asking for stream or?
Yeah, for the stream, for tomorrow's stream.
Yeah. So let me share one image, or else. Meanwhile, I think I am sharing my screen on Discord.
Wait, so just wait. This thing will open.
It will take some time, na? Meanwhile, let me share.
So I have something. Yeah, I have a question. I can see your some nodes have changed the color. Is it for the personal, or there is some unique case? No, I just went to the preferences and then I changed from there.
No, you are using 15, na? So 15.
No,
we have
13,
a color. No. In 13 we have same color.
Okay. Yeah. I was using 15. Maybe that is the case.
Can you share my show my screen to the live stream?
Yeah. 1 second. I'll just quickly open the NUKE. I will just quickly open the NUKE script again. Then I will share. I think now it will work. Let's save again. env -v1. Yeah, normal. Wait, I will share your screen, your Discord screen, right? Yeah.
No. Make it a Yeah. So let me share this. How can
this is the comp,
ignore this script. This is not final script. You can ignore it. Let me open. Okay. Where it is?
Guys, ignore that messy script. No one will show you good
Let
looking
me show
script.
one. Yeah.
That was just accident. Okay. Someone have Chaitanya. How can I extend or clean up edges in a live video feed without a green screen, especially when the footage has heavy motion blur, defocus edge, and bright overexposed area? Okay.
See, this is my clean script.
Okay.
So tomorrow this is the same environment what we are currently doing, but it's a night time and it's a full frame render, like 600 frames render. So this is pure light.
You have a preview, so you can play here.
Preview. We have. Oh, we have preview. So this is like very rough slap comp, but let's play this.
Yeah, just a slap comp so people get the idea. Oh, it's a nice shot, right? I mean, Pretty good. Can you play the full screen? Can you make it full screen? Make it full screen. Yeah. Nice. So this is full CG, right?
Yeah, this is full CG. This is the same environment what we are currently using for this action VFX shot.
Okay. Just a different angle, right?
Yeah, just a different angle, different lighting.
Nice. Oh my god.
So this is the very first slab form. Let me show you.
Pretty good.
So this is lighting from Blender, right? This is first slab comp, and this is current version.
What is the difference?
See?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, a lot of balancing.
See here.
Expose up, and everything. Expose up, yeah, you added this thing, stars and everything, right?
So
Cool.
tomorrow we will comp this shot, like how to balance the overall shot and how to do CG look dev.
Nice. Yeah, this is pretty good one.
So tomorrow we will comp this shot. Yeah. Now you can continue with our this shot. Action VFX.
Yeah. Let me just put you on the side and put you on the webcam. Yeah, Chetna. Yeah, the whatever the show is saying now. In this case, we need to manually paint, to blend it properly, because we have a heavy light in the background. If you try to use the edge extend, it is also not gonna work. The best way is to manually paint. I think it will not gonna wait guys, 1 second. So this is what we have. 1 second guys. Where is my camera? Hello guys, no one? Hello, no one is here or not? Yeah, he will come back. Cool. So let me continue. Sorry guys, someone just came, so that's why. Let me check the chat once and then I will continue. Okay, RGB, by the way, nice. Okay, the music is good, right? So I just want to put something in the background, so I don't want to make it completely silent, so that's why I put it some random music.
Hello,
no one see the chat. I will continue here. Okay, now no one, I think it's not lagging. I think it's fine now. So now we have this. Let me just quickly play. Now see, now it's playing. Oh, let me change the view to stream view. So, yeah, so guys, see, this is the CG with the camera movement and everything, and with the use of overscan. So if you don't have overscan, this will not gonna work. So you can see it's moving and it's properly panning the shot, and you can see the car and the good looking environment with the sky, right? Now from here, no one will take this comp and try to match.
Just put crop before image plane.
Yeah.
For once. Before image plane.
Before. Oh, you just want to show them the this thing, right? Yeah.
See.
Yeah, if you don't have this overscan like we have before, you will see this kind of cut.
Because we don't have any data.
Yeah. If I try to change the reference like from this, if I set this one, right, we can get it here, but here we'll see this issue, right? It's like a back and forth. So you need that overscan data in order to work this thing properly. So if I just remove the crop, now we have everything, and it is
now make it 75 frame reference, no?
70, yeah.
Reference frame.
No, I already did. I just did the cancel now, so it will jump back to default. So now we see this is the moment we have. So let me just quickly use that roto and just slap comp the character also. Okay, now this is the layer 1. I mean, this is the far sky, and this is our background. Okay, I mean this full chunk is background, you can say. Now we need to put a character like a foreground element. So let's press F8 and let's go here and select our plate. So this is the plate came here. Let's take a copy, connect here and press F8, add roto.
You can just search it, na, F8 and just search.
Yeah, I know, but instead of typing, I just like to go to menu, quickly select. I don't want to put my both hand into the keyboard and type just roto and everything.
No, but you can just press F8 and just type 2-3 words.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, put here, so it will automatically came right here. Roto and yeah. So this roto is here and this thing is here. Now we have this roto. Let's quickly do the pre-mult and let's connect this. Now character is pre-multed. Let's quickly merge. Very simple, very fast slap comp, character slap comp. Now we have this guy at the end. So now let's play with the character. Let's play from the start. Okay, cool VFX. No man, there are a lot of people are talking about. Can you just check the chat? Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, how to export NUKE camera in Unreal Engine 5? So, Visual Graph, you can use Alembic camera. So, just put right geo and select .abc extension and select OGAWA storage format. Then it might work. When I am using
for the Blender also same thing, right? OGAWA thing.
Yeah. ABC Alembic is for same, na? What do you press to add dot in an angle like that?
This question, lot of people ask me, a lot of people in the comment, a lot of people ask me about, how you doing this auto, adding dot and making this angle, right? So there is a script or tool, for that.
Yeah.
I will share. Let it just play this one so we see this slap comp. So this is a roto with that AI, guys.
Nidin R. When I am using Flipbook in Nuke, it crashes 80% of the time. I am doing something wrong, or it's a memory problem?
What is the memory? What is the memory? First question. Maybe
how much
is the memory problem?
How much RAM do you have?
You are asking me, Noman, or you are asking him?
No, Nidin R.
I thought you were asking me.
Why should I ask you?
No, I said I mean it's catching in my machine, so that's why. Okay, so this is like a slap comp, guys. Now Noman will take care from here, and as you see, the character have a lot of black edges and everything. So previously someone just asked how to clean up the edges. So I think you can see here how Noman will do little bit of treatment for the edge work also.
So we used slapshot.ai for this roto. Yeah.
Yes, so AI we need to use to make our work faster, not for everything, for creating this kind of asset like a roto or maybe some kind of prep like that.
Because for this personal project tutorial, if we do manually roto, it will take some time.
Yeah,
that's why.
So from now Noman is controlling my PC. Now he will do some loop dev and refine the edge little bit. Yeah, Noman, you can close this one. Wait. Wait, I will do it here. From here I can go close this one. Okay, we continue.
Okay. So now we have this plate, and this is what our slab come look like. So if you see, first thing first, if you do basic comp now, first what I do, I just simply match the blacks and white point only, and then defocus. So first we will match the white overall temperature for this shot, like for environment, and then we will match the blacks, like you can see here how it's lifted, and over CG it's very deep dark blacks. So if you just match white point, black point and defocus na, like 50% of work automatically it will look very nice.
It will match basically the plates, and you can see the plate, how the plate is look like. Nice.
See? For now, just we are not focusing on sky for now. We will just match this our environment, like blending our environment with. So here we can see, right? We have very. What is this? Let me put here. Yeah. So you can see, right? Our lighting is a warmth, white point. We can see very warmth. So just first we will do. We have already this warm light overall, but now we will just increase diffuse direct and make it slightly warmer.
Cool.
I'm not doing this adding grade overall, like adding grade here and just match white point, black point. We are doing CG comp, right? So we have multiple, we have very good control. So we will use this all beautiful beauty passes.
Yeah.
So we can get better.
We have all the controls, right?
Because I have seen many people. What they will do, they will ignore this all passes. They will just directly connect here and do all the adding grade again, grade. So it will, it will destroy your comp workflow.
Yeah. Then there is no point of using the all the beauty layers. Then also there is no point of CG comping. So
yeah,
at that time it will look like you have just
2D comp with lots of grade and doing rotos. Yeah. So first just you can see, right? This is our diffuse direct light. So we'll just slightly add warmth, a bit.
Yeah, because already it's a warm light, right? So we don't add too much.
And if you see now, you just check overall. So it's a very strong key light here compared to our shot. If you just check the floor overall, right? If you check the floor or check the luminance value, right? It's very bright here. So here I will increase the direct light a bit. I'm taking a new grade just for checking purpose, or make it 2. It's too much. 1.5. We will increase overall direct light because here in plate we have very strong, we can see here.
Okay, Naman, someone is asking, like, talking about the Unreal, I stuck there. How we can render the AOVs like multi-EXR in Unreal? I didn't find any way. I think there is a way you can render multi-EXR, but Unreal not able to render a lot of multi-passes. It can just give you some light passes and what you call the
No. From Unreal, we on as much as I know, we only get data passes like depth pass and cryptomat. Because in my previous studio, they used Unreal lighting, and we only receive data pass, no beauty passes, no multi light. We just have to do, select the cryptomat and do using grade only. So I don't think we can get this much of beauty passes control from Unreal Engine. Yeah.
Unreal is like you can do everything inside.
But inside you can do.
After the export, you don't have much control. I mean, there is no way to export a lot of passes like traditional 3D software can do. But you can do everything inside Unreal. Like you can do the form, you can do the grading, you can add lens flare, everything you can do inside Unreal.
See, so now I think direct light is matching overall, because here we have very less direct light. Now you can see with the plate. So we have a very good reference, like we have plate. So we have very good reference for all these colors. You can see this grass and this grass. This grass is very dry, warm, right? And here we have very nice green grass. So if you are doing live action comp, like you have a plate and you are changing the background, so always keep eye on the original plate, black levels, white points, and the color. Like you can see how saturated green here and how this over saturated dark green we have.
In the ground is like a yellow.
Yeah, the ground is very yellow, dry grass. But in plate we have very good grass. So this small thing you have to keep your in mind, so you will get very good final comp result. So always check your original plate and check how defocus it is, how blacks level, how colors are looking in original plate, and then match with original plate. It will automatically give you a very good comp, like final comp. So that's the thing we are covering in this live stream. Yeah. So now we have matched the overall key light here. Now just do a black level here. So like which method you are preferring, side, for match the blacks? Like there are multiples way we can match the blacks, right? So which method?
I never use grade node to match the black level. I will use that that Tony Lyons black match, or I will use the toe.
Okay, right. So now we will use toe because it's a default node.
Default
so just first match the blacks. See, we have this black. I will just pick the color. I'm getting this arrow. I don't know why, from parsec.
I'm not able to see
like
any arrow.
Wait. Okay.
Tell me where I will select if you want.
No, wait. Okay. Now
it's working. Yeah, it's working.
So for blacks level, if you guys don't know like what black color should I pick, right? So it's a very simple trick. What I do, sir, we render one sole render pass, another single frame, single passes. So, sir, we render once all render passes Unreal or single passes. I am not getting this question side.
I think he's talking about the passes, right? Should we render all passes together or the single passes, right? You're talking. I think that is the question. Actually, we don't have much experience with Unreal, I use Unreal couple of times. Then I realized, I mean, it's not for me, for especially for the VFX work what I did, like the passes and all the things. So I think Sohu have some experience. I think he can help you. Sohu, if you are here, just help him.
So for matching the blacks, like if you don't know which black should I pick, or like what is the black, right? So what I do, I just increase exposure on viewport and increase the gamma, and slowly I will increase. And I don't know if you can see in stream, but like if you increasing a lot and then you are still getting some shadow visible, that is your darkest black point of your footage. Getting my point what I am saying? If you increase a lot now, you can still visible some dark shadow.
Yeah, I can see
So
some.
see here we can see, here we can see. So that is your black point. It's a very easy method to identify the black color. Like, so we will pick this black color, black point from here. See, now we have, this is very a deep shadow. Now it's lifted. Now we have this color. Now we have to tweak this intensity. Like we should not touch the mid-tone or overall. If you increase a lot now, it will affect on mid-tone also. We have to tweak this shadow black points. See, it's only affecting on blacks. We are not changing over mid-tone or anything. It's only effect on blacks. So now I think we have to increase the lift more.
Yeah, I think we also need to adjust the indirect lighting. I mean the basic usual passes. I think black is fine now, I guess.
We have to increase the indirect.
Yeah. Just increase overall and see how it will behave. Yeah. We need some more bounce light, yeah.
We have more detail in shadow. Oops, it's getting too much.
Cool.
I think we need more indirect light.
Yeah, keep it 2 or maybe 2.5.
0.5, I guess.
Yeah, check. Because we have very direct sunlight hitting on the ground now, so I think this should be good indirect light.
Okay. Just do one thing before this black is annoying. Extrude, do you have this? Yeah, just add this thing. Yeah.
Cool.
I think blacks and indirect light is fine for me. What do you think, Sahil?
Yeah, fine, but I think for the house I think you can reduce little bit of warm overall, little bit for the house, not for everything, I guess, to keep it similar to the plate.
You mean this?
Yeah, see, it's not that much warm overall,
Okay.
so we can use
So
the cryptomat.
CG data. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we are getting this issue. Wait.
Yeah, I think I didn't change that. No, yeah, see, impulse. Yeah, fine. Yeah, especially here, not the top one, especially here, this side.
Okay.
I think select all more, I mean the windows and everything you need to select, except the top part. Yeah, select everything. Yeah, just draw a big rectangle to select everything. Yeah. Yes. No, it's not selecting.
Yeah, it's fine for now.
Hmm.
Let's put 5 here.
Just reduce little bit of blue, I mean increase little bit of blue, and let's see.
Is it working?
Just check the direct lighting, view that.
No, it is working. See.
Yeah.
Here in indirect we have to.
Yeah,
see?
indirect.
No.
Yeah, same thing. You need to put it there. Now check.
You have to increase more.
Nah, yeah, I can see that it is become blue. If you just
I think for me in parsec na, it's
yeah,
showing slightly pixelated and
yeah.
is it fine?
See, become blue. I think you can increase indirect light more. I think it's looking too much dark for me. Yeah.
Okay, wait. I think we have increased a lot. Blue.
Yeah, decrease little bit. Overall increase the indirect lighting. Yeah, from here. Cool.
See?
Yeah, good.
It's become a green. This.
From direct lighting, I guess, not the indirect one, I guess.
Oh, no, here only because we have color here, right?
Yeah, not
that's why.
Yeah. Deselect that part.
Slightly just increase.
Yeah, that will work.
Now, yeah. See, now it's look. Before it was very, feel greeny. Greeny yellow, yes.
Yeah.
So now this much we change the CG. See?
Yeah.
Now
I think you can add defocus, so it will match, or you can match more with the CG or with the plate.
I think I feel we have to lift them.
Yeah, the plate is very lifted. I think this is fine. Yeah, fine. This is okay now.
Fine. Now we will add defocus. So it's very simple shot, right? So for now we will use 2D defocus only, because if you see, it's fully defocus. It's a 70mm camera, 70mm lens they have used. So
there is one question, Elfin asking how we can match complex color grades from reference. I already have one video where I recreated a Blade Runner shot, right? In that one, it's like that shot is very color grade side. I mean, it's very orange look. So you can watch that and you can see how I match that grading. So if you have a reference, you can just pick the color and you can match it. That's the simple answer. Just like you can match the black point, white point and mid-tone, and you are almost there. Then you need to adjust a few gamma gain according to your shot. I think that Blade Runner tutorial was a very good example, the how you can match the grading and everything while compositing. Correct, Naman? Have you saw that? I remember you told me that it's very hard to match because of that grade, right? That grade look in that Blade Runner shot. But everything we can do here. Cool. Continue, Naman.
Yeah. So we should use 2D defocus or
I mean whatever you use in that slapcom, you can show it here.
Yeah. So I used normal defocus.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So everyone can understand the native defocus. Or you can show the defocus also.
No, just use this. This defocus only for now. So if you check the footage now, so we have a rec defocus. You check this bokeh, right?
Yeah, this defocus is changing according to the actor movement. Yeah, see, it's becoming small, less defocus now. Yeah. Correct.
Too much, huh?
Yeah, this is the best way to check the how much defocus is changing while you are playing. So just track it and do the stabilize. Correct, Naman?
Yes.
So you can easily identify the defocus amount from which frame to which frame it is changing. So you can easily accurately keyframe from there and match the size and everything. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, you can play. Yeah, see, now it says completely locked down and you can see how it is becoming a smaller and smaller. Pretty good. Yeah, see, it suddenly become a smaller because from here is very smoothly going on, and then from when it's coming to the end. Here, here it's small. I think from frame 100. Yeah, from here it is very slowly become a small, but from frame 100 is becoming. I mean, it's going very fast. See, suddenly from here to here.
Yeah. Till 35 na, there is no rec defocus. If you see na.
Yeah.
See,
slightly changing. Yeah, so we can easily identify where we need to put a keyframe in our defocus.
And then after 35, see. Here, somewhere here.
Yeah,
80.
Then from here 30 going.
35 to 80. So just like 35. First frame we will at 30. So
just put a keyframe, then you can change the value. Yeah.
We'll put it 5 for then it's slowly become somewhere here.
Stable. Yeah.
Here. Right. We will put it. It's getting 3. Hitting 3 and then
from here is stable, then suddenly is going kicking
till here we will keep the 3 only because slightly changing.
Yeah, you can reduce a little.
Like 7. And then
yeah, till the end, I guess it's reducing the continuously.
Make 2.
Let's see.
Thus checking purpose. See?
Wipe with this with the plate. I mean, yeah, do the wipe. Yeah, the animation is going now. You need to match the keyframe is correct. You just need to match the amount per keyframe.
So now first,
I think it's better to match with the checkerboard, I guess. Yeah, you can do it here directly. That's better, I guess, with the plate.
See this frame, a door frame.
Yeah, you need to match it correctly, exact defocus amount.
I think it's 7. See?
I think no, I guess you can increase more. Make it 10. Let's see. Yeah. Here also increase 5 maybe.
7.
Yeah. Increase 5.
6.
6, fine. Go and here also increase
3, I guess.
4. Let's check. Yeah. Cool. Now check with the plate. Now check with the plate. Defocus. Yeah. So the problem now, we use normal defocus, right? We need to use the actual defocus node. Why? Because you can see there is a very nice looking defocus and very nice looking bokeh shape going on. So if you add a filter shape in the Zen defocus, right? Sorry, Z defocus.
Only defocus.
Yeah. So the bokeh shape is also changing the defocus amount. I mean, it's basically changing the how your defocus will look like if you just add any kernel, any filter shape. But for now we are not adding anything. But I think we can. I think we can show that because you can see in the plate in the reflection, very nice bokeh shape.
It's
see in that here. But this is fine. I can show that. Cool guys, if you have any questions you can ask while this is playing. Yeah, it's just loading, then it will play fast. Because I just want to show you that that defocus, that bokeh shape. Very, very interesting. I hope that background music is helping, right? Because when we are not talking, that background music is helping to keep the stream looking interesting. Yeah, see. Yeah, Norman, I think we need to add that kernel shape. Then I think it will look correct. Because that kernel shape will change how the defocus is looking currently. I don't know which song that I'm playing in the background. After this stream I will listen that again, because this is I think same music I'm using in my previous stream. I'm not sure. Okay, no man, I'm just controlling right now. Okay. So let me just do this. Okay, so the defocus Norman added, that's pretty good. So but we need that this nice bouquet, right? How we can add that? This is pretty good way. So let's first make sure we are getting the depth pass. So remember we remove it from here. So let's keep that depth pass. Where is that? We don't have, because we have a separate data layer. So take that data layer.
No, just copy. No, bro.
Yeah.
We have a copy node now. Copy. Use this now.
But here data layer in here na, in the CG part. In here we have data layer, right? Not in the beauty layer, correct?
Okay. Sorry. You are copying from. Yeah.
That is what I'm saying. You don't need to do it. Here we don't have na.
Okay. Yeah. So
we take this. So here we have where is that depth? Yeah, depth extra. So in Blender we are getting here in the depth extra, but it's the same thing. See, we are getting this depth pass. So what I can do, I can just take a copy node, and yeah, I can put it here. I can add here. I'm just copying the, disable this. We don't need to copy the alpha, just copying the depth. So now I have a depth layer. Oh, with that, yeah, I'm removing from here, so I will keep the depth pass to
depth extra. Yeah.
So now I have a depth extra here, and it's pre-multed because we did the pre-mult all. Okay, that's fine. But just need to make sure we are getting a proper edges.
Yeah, it's Blender, so
no, that depth pass we need unpremult, right? So that's what I'm checking. If I don't do this now, that is also fine. Okay, then we have this image plane, so it will track the depth pass and everything. That's why I added here, right? Otherwise I need to add, if I do here, then I need to match, then I need to add this one also. But just add it here and everything will get match move. Then if I merge here, we have the sky, right? So what I can do, I can just copy the depth pass, so it will have a depth pass.
Side Visual Craft is asking sir, when I was doing compositing, I merged two passes using shuffle node and also changed the blend mode, but the output's opacity decrease.
Yeah.
It's coming out like the background is blending. So you have to
check
copy the alpha. Yeah.
You don't
after merging all these passes now, you have to again copy the alpha from your actual footage, like actual pass, because when you are merging this layers now, you like alpha will remove, because we don't have alpha in beauty passes.
Correct.
Yeah.
So now we need to use this ZD focus, which is pretty good, and a lot of people don't know how to use this correctly. Okay, so first thing first, when you use this, make sure you select the Z pass. So in this case, where is the Z pass one? The name is changed, right? Yeah, select. Yeah, Z extra, right? Okay. So make sure you select your Z pass. Okay. Then the second most important thing to select when using this ZD focus is this math. Okay. So which math you need to use? So this is depend on your depth pass. If I select my depth pass, and if I go here and select this, no, not this one. So if I expose down into select, and if I select any pixel here, so in here you can see the value is 12. If I select pixel from this, it is showing me 35. I select from here, it is like infinite. Okay, so that means my value is like from 0 to something, right? From close to camera it is showing 11, and from far, from like this house, is showing 35, right, in the direction. That means it's like a 0 to this one, 0 to like a infinite number of value. So that means we need to select in the math will be the depth. So the depth will so depth means it is basically calculating from camera to distance, like 1 2 3 4 5 so on. So this is the correct math. So we need to select that, and then let's change this to focal plane, so we can see where we are focusing, and this is the focus point, right? Just select this and let's move it somewhere, and you can see it is selecting. And while we are moving this one, this focal plane is changing. Let me just open. This focal plane is changing while we are just moving this dot, like here. See, it's become a 35, if I move this one like here, now it is becoming 29. So this is changing, right? I think so. That means this is working. I place it here. It is like this.
And what is the color, like meaning of these colors? Can you
yeah.
tell us?
So wait, let me just increase this focal distance, depth of field, and you see green color popping up. Okay. So if I select from here, now you can easily see what is that color mean. So the blue means far, red means close to the camera, and the green means this is your focus area. You're focusing only this much area. So that is the color. You can see. If I place it here, you can see red is that means close to the camera, out of defocus, and far from the camera, out of defocus. And this is your focal plane area. Here I am focusing. Okay. So when you use this one, okay, now we have a point into places somewhere, but the problem is we are not focusing in the background. We're focusing close to the camera, right? From here, I mean our actor may be somewhere here. Let's go to the last page and see. So our actor here. So it's like actor is not also here. Actor somewhere here. So we need to guess it, because otherwise we have two options. We have to guess it where we can place this one, maybe here or here, and then you can just animate like this. Okay. Then the other way is like you need a proxy geo of this character, where this character in 3D space. For example, this kid. If you do match moves, so we need to know where this guy is in 3D space, and we can just focus, because the actual camera is focusing on him while he's moving, right? Here it's also getting defocus, because from I think from here it is focusing, right? That means our focus is here, and when it's going out of focus, that means it's not changing and then it suddenly becoming in a focus. It's defocus here, then at the end, see, is now become a little bit sharper compared to here. See, here is more defocus. That is exactly what we're seeing in this here also. See, it's getting defocus, then it become a sharp here. That means they are focusing on the character. That's why your defocus is reduced in these frames. Correct. So Noman, do we have anything in 3D space, or I can just show you in a 2D?
No, we don't have in 3D space, but in Action VFX footage description, they mention
need that focus
3000 mm focal plane or focal distance. Wait.
No, we don't need focal distance. We need that character position in 3D space, where this character is moving 3D space. So we can.
No, but we can add this thing, this value. Then we will get proper defocus.
But in the 3D focus, there is no way to add this thing. No? That is the question.
Wait, 2 minutes. What I am.
Yeah. You can control if you want.
No. Just 2 minutes. Practice footage.
To add that focal, like that focal length, right? You're talking about?
Not focal length.
So you're talking about focal distance from the camera. I think they are not providing that.
They are. Wait, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Focal distance is 3510 mm. So we have to convert in decimal.
No, that is the focal mm, na? So that is the focal length of this shot.
Focal length is 70 mm, bro. Focal distance.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
So, see, 2 minutes. I am sharing my screen.
Oh, you can share. You can show here, no? The browser is open already.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
What?
It's not able to copy paste. Right? Go and yeah. Which shot? This one. Yeah, this one. Second. Yeah. Open this.
Yes. Focal distance we have
3510. So this is like in mm, right? So we need to convert this one somehow.
We have to convert in decimal.
5 minutes.
So we have to calculate. Let me ask to 3150. You have to put. Hello.
Yeah, I'm
Sahid?
here. I'm here. You can continue.
So you have to put 30.10. 35.10 put here. $35.10. Oh, I think something is wrong with this bus. Hello?
Yeah, no man, you can continue. I'm here.
Okay. Okay. It's 3.5 then. વાંધો નહીં. Why can we not use camera tracking to get 3D space? Why you need to import passes 3D? You should import 3D for tracking. I'm waiting for night shots or any suggestion. So that camera we track, not we don't have proper data, we just have tracking data in camera. So here we need a focal this thing, right? We have to calculate this focal plane. But if you check in original camera, na, it's 2. So it's not correct. And if you also check the f-stop, it's not correct.
Yeah. This is like a default value from NUKE.
Default, yeah. So
wait, one second.
For getting this proper focal distance in production, we are getting one.
You're getting geo and everything we are getting, macro, geo and focal distance also match animated by default. So no worries, you don't need that. So
let's put 3.5 because if we convert this now, we have to put 3.5. Yeah.
So how much you need to put? 3.5.
3.5 only. Yeah.
Cool. So now the idea is, let's see this plate. We need to add this bokeh shape. Okay. That is the main point. So if you have this NUKE server toolkit, guys, you have this like
bokeh builder, na?
Yeah, bokeh.
It's very heavy. We have to pre-comp it.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
For now, I will select any the good one. I think there is.
Yeah, this one. Sorry.
This one is good, right? So I will add just a frame hold. This
frame hold, first one.
Okay. And let's add a grade little bit. Just boost this thing for now, like this. Then we can add this filter input here, and then in the we need to enable this one from image and just use input. Okay. Now let's find just to AB. It should change. I think to use one of the channel, I guess. No, it will use correct this input layer. Okay.
You have to increase the defocus.
Yeah. So
now
we put it keyframes here, right? So I will just go here and just add a keyframe. Then I will match. So I'm just adding a keyframe here. Here also keyframe, and then at the end, right? So at the end also. Okay. Now I will close this one. Now I will go from here to here and just enable the wipe.
Can you just go to the last frame of footage?
Yeah, I'm in the last frame now.
Yeah, so I think go to the last frame.
This is the last frame. Okay, now let's match the last frame. No, this is the focal the plane, right? This focal plane, right?
So we don't have to animate this now.
Yeah.
We have to animate the size and
make it this. That's why this for this kind of tracking shot, no, this 3D focus is not good because you don't have much information how much blur and this thing have. In real life, we just need to put the f-stop, the lens, the sensor size and focal length. That's it, and then we only need to animate this distance value, and that way it will match properly with the plate. But for here, we just need to cheat it. That's fine. That's fine. So we need to animate this value.
My bokeh builder doesn't work. It's showing some kernel issue. How can I fix that?
Yeah, there is some issue in this tool also.
Like what
just open that tool and see where you are getting that kernel
missing
issue. Yeah, and you can just delete or you can just turn off that thing. I also faced that issue multiple times, but I don't know how that solved. There is some issue here in this setup. Okay, let's continue. Let's do this quickly. Now we can just match the defocus amount. Okay, now we have this 50. We don't need that 50. So let's reduce. Yeah, I think this is fine, right? No monthly. Let's go to this frame and let's decrease, I guess.
Make it 15. 15. Make it 15. Okay.
I think this is. See, we have
to increase 17.
I think this is fine. See, the amount of.
But it's decreasing, right here.
Yeah. I decrease it. Decrease it. See.
Oh, no. You increased.
Increase it.
Make it 17.
17. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next frame. Yeah. From 17 to maybe 10.
No. Increase more. 15.
15, right? Yeah. Yeah. From here it is very gradually decreasing. So maybe 10.
12.
Yeah. Let's keep it 12. Okay. And make sure we are using this, not this. Yeah. See, when I change from this to image, you can see how the defocus is changing, and it will also change if I go here and just change any circle. See, it is changing slightly. If I use this
Suho is saying what about VFX 3D focus?
Yeah, that's what I said. You have to use the PXF or any other that allow you to add those values like focal. This lens simulation, you can add the meter of your scene. In Blender it's meter, so we can use meter, and you can add focal length of everything, and then you can basically animate where is that picker somewhere. He provided the picker also. Yeah, pick the camera and including f-stop, and from here you can have this one, or you can just animate this focal length, focal distance. Basically that's it. So I think I showed this one in one of my video. If not, I will try to make one separate video, or I think that the author of this tool already made a lot of I mean, he already made a tutorial how you can use this one. It's pretty good. Okay, let's see and let's see. But for now we don't have any bright thing in our scene, so what I will do, I will just quickly add one roto just to show you the point. So if I add one roto here, disable this,
put on door, put on door.
Yeah, maybe here. Okay, make it RGB, and now we see here, we see this thing because we need to increase the value because currently the value is like very less. So go to here and increase this one, and now we can see this bokeh, right? So I think we need to keep this very small. It's very big now. So let's go here. I think that's opacity. Yeah. Now you can see the bokeh shape. You can see it's not like completely white. You can see we have this pattern. The same pattern you will see here. See this circular pattern. and we can see the same pattern here, right? So that is the bokeh shape you will give. If I have very bright specular, there you will see. We will going to add that, but if I change the filter shape here, we will see it's changed.
Go to the first one.
Yeah, see this
is
is
this is the correct. Yeah, this is the correct, I think, because in the plate, check the plate.
Plate. Let's
see. We have
in the we have a hole in the center. That is the defocus. See? But you can see here we don't have, because this is very bright. That's
very
why
bright.
This is very less bright. That's why we see the hole. That's why I also reduce the here the amount, the opacity amount. If I keep it 1, it will become a solid like this. Here, see, but still we getting that shape, because the shape is, I think, very strong. So if I view it here, yeah, see,
but just
but still we will see that because that shape is very hollow.
Yeah, but
that's fine.
I think, yeah.
So just do all. Yeah, it doesn't matter. See, so this is the bokeh you can get. I mean, this is, you can check the bokeh shape. Just use the roto and just keep it. If I make it more smaller, you can see. If I make it bigger, it will become like this. So it's based on the size and based on the value. If I keep it 10, you will see like this. If I keep it 1, you will see it becoming disappearing basically from here to here. So depend on size and depend on the high value. So now this thing is very high value. It's not 1. See, you can see it is 40, not 1.
40.
So that's why. So let's delete this, and this is what we have. Okay, now let's compare this with the slap comp that Norman have.
No, but we have to decrease the light.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm checking now, where we are right now. Yeah, see, from here to here. See. So the slap comp is this and this.
You have to. Can you just decrease the direct light?
Yeah. So you need to decrease the direct light and this thing also. This is looking good. This is matching with this. See, shadow part here. So here we also need to do that. I think it's all about increase the black level like here. Yeah. Let's check. Increase the black level. The black level, and then
just decrease a bit light.
Yeah, we can decrease the combined light here. Let's check.
No.
Not for the ground. Yeah, like this. See, we need to decrease light here also. And see see now we are getting that bokeh shape here. Here. Okay, Naman, you can continue. You can just match a little bit, then you can wrap up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm doing one thing. Overall, this series, very saturated slightly. So I will add one saturation node here. Just decrease the saturation a bit. Right. Then I think we have to lift. See, decrease saturation a bit, and now we have to increase. I think now blacks are better. Now we will match this color. Here it is very warm, very warm, dry, and here it's very green. So we will match in diffuse color. You see here it is very desaturated, dry grass. So we will add. We'll take crypto mat. Do we have any overall? So now we will match. Reduce the warmth a bit. Increase the green in diffuse color. So we are not affecting any lights here. So we are just affecting the color. So we'll again add more green. Yeah, so color is good. Now we have to reduce the light for the grasses. See, we are getting closer to the plate now. I think we have to reduce a bit warmth. So
yeah, Roman, I'm back. Wait.
So I'm mixing this.
1 second. Let me just turn on. Yeah, the color is good, but I think it's little too saturated.
Saturated, yeah.
You can reduce little saturation. So that's how, guys. We have selection. We have cryptomat. You have to select each layer and match the luminance and everything with the plate. But first, just like Noman did, overall we need to match the black level, defocus everything. Then you can go locally and match each part one by one. So yeah, reduce. It's just better. Better. Yeah, add every layer except the rocks. Don't select the rock. Yeah, see, we have pretty good cryptomat selection, so we can manipulate how we want. Yeah, it's too much. Oh, you selected wrong place. Yeah. Correct. Still, I think the saturation is too much. Yeah, reduce a bit more. Fine.
So now,
yeah, the grass is grass is looking good. Now you can also see the defocus is matching. See the bokeh in the plate and in our looking same. Right. It's all about that kernel shape. You have a good matching kernel shape, then your defocus also going to look identical. Now the grass, now the same for the ground. We need to use cryptomat and reduce the color, the brightness, and match the color. Same treatment you have to do.
This tree, same thing.
Yeah,
it's looking very not good. I think if we select this,
try to add that and let's see how it will look.
No,
it's
will not work.
Yeah, you have to do it separately. Separate cryptomat selection and separate treatment, because that tree is very saturated. And we also need to add some more, like subsurface scattering. We need to increase that a bit more, I guess, in that tree. So you can see some, backlighting. Yeah. Just reduce. Yeah, just increase. Yeah, don't make it that much yellow. Just decrease. Yeah, go back a little bit. Yeah, this is fine. Cool. Yeah, see the defocus is looking good now, no? See? Just by adding that filter shape, you can see a pretty nice bokeh. Yeah, good. Now I think I'm going to check the transmission part, because we need that subsurface look. Check, I think we have that. No, not here. Glossy, I think. Maybe in glossy. Or maybe we are missing the pass. Check in the glossy. Yeah. Indirect and direct, check. Yeah. Not here, I think indirect. Yeah, this is subsurface scattering, I think. I don't know. This is Blender, guys. I don't know. It's look like it's here, so I think just increase the amount. That's it. Don't change any color. Nothing. We'll see how it will look. Just save the comp. Maybe it will crash. I don't know. Something getting heavy, right? I'm not sure. Let's close the. Yeah, always that clear catch help. Okay, now check the final. Don't view from defocus. I think defocus is heavy. That's why. Yeah, see. Just for now do it like this, and then enable defocus. Now see the grass is looking very good. See, now we can see a lot of variation in the grass. It's looking pretty good, like fresh grass, just by changing the color. Correct, no one? Not able to hear your audio.
Sorry, yeah, my mic was mute. So we will increase this by 2. Why it is not affecting? Yeah,
I know. I think it is affecting, but let's check. Let's do on off. Yeah, see, it is affecting. Check in the. Yeah, see, now we get more. Yeah, check in the multiplier. Note. Yeah, on off. It's pretty less. It's not that much affecting. I think we need that proper subsurface pass. Then you can get pretty good. Increase too much. Let's see. Yeah, pretty less. Still, we need that subsurface scattering look a little bit more, because those leaves directly hitting. Yeah, that's fine for now. Cool. I think Naman, we can little bit decrease the saturation overall grass. It's grabbing too much attention. Make it 5, 4, yeah, fine. So guys, that's how, I mean, we need to work each layer separately and match with the reference in terms of the, you know, how the its light is behaving on each layer, like grass, ground, house, you know, a big tree, and everything, and especially the car also, right? So in the reference we also have a car, so we need to match the car exactly like a reference in terms of the, you know, light hitting, the, you know, brightness and everything. So it's not just you know, few hour work. This thing will take a lot
much
days
time
to match to match with the reference and make this look real. So but this is the, you know, whole process. You know, generally we do it like this, we matching everything, then adding the focus, and then adding plate character on top. We're not touching the plate character because that's the whole point. We don't need to match plate character with the CG. We need to match CG with plate. So that's how we need to do step by step, matching with the plate, and make sure we don't touch the plate at all. So that way it will look good. And then at the end we need to add some, you know, grain and everything, just like the usual stuff I do in my tutorials. So everything we will going to cover, I think, in the next part, right, Noman? So we'll continue this one and we will match this more closer. In the next part we'll match the car a bit more, and the ground and the shadow, right? The shadow area and the left side of the tree, and that pole, and that wires and everything. The sky exposure also is very important, because in this one I think sky will get more overexposed, because we are seeing the
from here to here.
Yeah, just add no more over just do sky, yeah, add overexpose bit, increase, I think 5 maybe. Why we are doing it? Because now in the shadow area we can see more clear. The door and everything is the part of the shadow. So if you are exposing the shadow area, then you need to overexpose the highlight area, the bright area. For example, the sky. So we need to overexpose that one. Then only it will look correct in terms of the exposure level. If you are just not overexposing the sky, and we see details in the sky, and we also see the detail in the shadow area, that means the image is not properly exposed, properly not balanced in terms of the brightness. That's how the camera is work, guys. We need to overexpose some part so you can see the other part. Can't see the both. It's lagging.
Your system is very slow.
Clear the cache. I hope my audio is not breaking. Not sure. Please let me know, guys, in the comment. My NUKE is lagging, but I hope this thing is not breaking my audio in stream. Okay, I think this is good. Now let me just handle. Okay, this thing, I think this thing is getting heavy. Yeah, load it here. Let's load from here. Let's load it here. I think this light drive is taking too much time. Yeah, I think so. Let's disable this. Yeah, okay. We'll fix whatever the issues. I'm facing some new lag issues, so that's fine. We'll continue this one on the next part. Yeah, not talking.
Right, modifying. You're defecting or not?
Why so less and frequent videos, right? I guess too busy with the question. Yeah, busy with the work, yeah. And I want to ask, what is the scenario with the AI, like how our professionals like you seeing it, threat or extension or another tool? It's just another tool and very helpful tool. So learn AI, how to use AI in your workflow. It's pretty good. So, and it's AI is evolving very fast. So this is the time. So we need to learn, because in the future there will be more AI will or automating a lot of our work, and that is good for us. So we can save our time basically. Yeah, no man,
Right.
that's fine. It's lagging.
Can you just pre-comp one frame here, the sky? I just want to check.
Yeah, sure. So let me just add this and let's place this.
Do one frame, na?
Same folder. Sky 3.exr, correct. Which frame? Last frame, correct? Last frame, no? Directory 150, just render it, load it. Okay, for now I'm just connecting directly like this. Okay, let's view. Something is need to check. Why is taking too much time? Maybe because I'm streaming this a very long time, and I think my computer is not able to handle both things together.
No. That is not the issue.
Yeah.
Something is wrong with.
No worries, I will pre-comp here. Just for the checking purpose. Okay. So let's pre-comp it here. This is the sky. This is not the sky. We like ENV. And this is also ENV. 3. Let's render one frame and we'll check. Yeah, see, it's taking time. Something is going on in the script, so we'll need to check. Maybe I think because I'm streaming very long time, so that's why I think PC is not able to handle. I guess that is the main reason. What AI tool should we learn as a compositor? Just like Norman show, just restart the NUKE. Yeah. I think I need to restart, but I think we are wrapping up right now, so don't think so. I need to restart. Just clear the cache. See it will render. So the AI tools, I mean, there are a lot of AI tools. Just do the Google search. Just like Norman showed one tool that we can do the match move. Norman. Hello. Yeah, I think we are back. Guys, can you hear us? Norman, your audio is not visible. Norman, you're talking?
No, I'm not talking.
Okay. I think we just crashed. My new crash, and that OBS also got crashed. So I think guys, I think this is the time my computer is telling you need to stop it right now. Okay, so we will come back with the next stream, and I will make sure this thing not gonna happen again. So meanwhile, I think this is the time I need to go. So as I said, Norman is providing the files in the server, so make sure and check. And in the next stream, in the granite imagery, we will discuss that that full CG shot, and after that on Sunday in my stream we will continue this comp. We'll refining this comp more, and I will try to do a look dev my own, and Norman will help me on the side. Cool, Norman, correct?
Yes.
So discussion, yeah, this is the best panel. So meanwhile, thank you so much for joining, and I see a lot of messages here, so thank you for that. And that's it, I guess. So we will see you in our very next tutorial and in our very next live stream. Have a great day. No one, you want to say anything?
No.
Cool,
So
right?
he'll also, but what were you saying this like no one said? So in this stream, I have
Yeah, in
shared
the
one website for Roto. So you can use that website for doing very good Roto for your personal projects.
yeah,
So that website name is Slapshot. So you can check it out, or else you can go to you can check the stream after
mm,
this end, and you can check how we use that website for Roto.
yeah,
That
correct.
website name is
Yeah, just type it here. Yeah,
slapshot.ai.
cool,
Yeah.
cool. I think that's it, right, Noman? So we can wrap up.
Mm,
So cool, guys.
yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. It's oh my god, we stream at 3 hours plus 3 hours 30 minutes. Oh my god, too much. Okay, guys.
Yes, it
Thank
is.
you.
It is
So
free. It is free.
yeah, it's free, so you can use. Cool. Thank you, everyone, for coming and no giving your time. And make sure to come back tomorrow and day after. And yeah, thank you, Utkarsh. Thank you, Suhail Pal. Thank you, everyone. And okay, we are signing off. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.